Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a vast and wild forest, a strange thing happened. A baby eagle was born, but not on a high cliff, not in a nest. This baby eagle was born in the middle of a chicken farm. Yes, a farm full of chickens. When the eagle hatched from its egg, it looked around and saw chickens everywhere. They clucked. They pecked the ground. They walked, not flew. So the baby eagle followed them. It learned to walk like a chicken. It learned to eat like a chicken. It even learned to be afraid, like a chicken. No one told the eagle that it was different. It believed, "I'm just a chicken, nothing more." Days turned into months. The eagle grew bigger, stronger, but its mind stayed small. It never even tried to fly. Why would it? Chickens don't fly. Welcome back to Tales and Chill, a place where gentle stories help you transform from within and help you boost your English skills day by day. One sunny afternoon, a traveler came to the farm. He saw the eagle scratching the ground with the chickens. He was shocked. "Why is this eagle living like a chicken?" he asked the farmer. The farmer laughed. "That eagle? Oh, it's been here since it was born. It thinks it's a chicken now." The traveler didn't laugh. He looked at the eagle and said, "This bird was born to soar the skies, not to scratch the dirt." That night, the traveler returned. He gently picked up the eagle and took it to a mountain nearby. As the morning sun rose, he held the eagle high and said, "You are not a chicken. You are an eagle. You were born to fly, to feel the wind under your wings." But the eagle was afraid. It looked down. It trembled. "I can't. I'm just a chicken." The traveler didn't give up. He said, "Look at the sky. That is your home. Look inside. Your strength is not lost. It's only forgotten." Then he tossed the eagle gently into the air. At first, the eagle panicked. Its wings flapped wildly. It felt like falling. But something happened. The wind lifted it. The eagle stretched its wings wide for the first time. And suddenly, it flew higher and higher into the sky. The eagle let out a powerful cry, a sound no chicken could ever make. At that moment, the eagle remembered who it really was. Not a follower, not a prisoner of fear, but a leader, a flyer, a lion of the skies. This story is not just about an eagle. It's about you. Maybe you've been living among chickens, afraid, unsure, holding back. Maybe the world told you you're small, ordinary, not enough. But the truth is, you were born to fly. Your strength is not gone. It's waiting inside you, just like the eagle's wings. All it takes is one moment of courage, one decision to believe in yourself. And when you do, you'll rise, you'll soar, and you'll never look back. So ask yourself today, are you living like a chicken or ready to fly like an eagle? Stop doubting your wings. It's time to find your real strength. You were never meant to walk with the fearful. You were born to rise above. Believe it, live it, fly. Thanks for watching, dreamers. Remember, the sky was never the limit. Only your belief was. If this story touched you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to be reminded of their wings. If you need the PDF for today's episode, you'll find it in the description. It's free for you. Until next time, keep soaring and stay chill. This is Tales and Chill.